Hello, and welcome to our Afloat Essential installation instruction video. In this video, we will review our step-by-step instructions for how to install your Afloat Essential. Visit afloatsleep.com to download the Afloat Essential PDF under Instruction Manuals. Before you assemble your Afloat Essential mattress, you will need to assemble your supporting base. There are three types of supporting bases: the do-it-yourself plywood pedestal, our 14-inch space saver, or our 16-inch space saver. The space saver frames are available to purchase with your Afloat Essential mattress. The space saver frames come with their own instruction manuals and videos. Other items you will need are available for purchase on the Afloat website under the Extras section. These items include the Afloat Waterbed conditioner and an Afloat fill and drain kit. You can also elect to purchase the optional items, including the Afloat fill meter, the Afloat air extractor, or the 25-foot standard hose. You can fill your Afloat Essential without the fill meter or air extractor. To get started, have your base, whether the do-it-yourself or space saver, positioned in your room, as you will not be able to move the bed once it's filled. Next, lay the plywood decks in the proper location, paying attention to the arrows and making sure that they are facing each other at the center. Separate the Velcro and attach the removed pieces to the deck so that they match the location of the remaining pieces on the cover. Unzip your Afloat cover and place the bottom of the cover over the decking, being sure to allow the extra fabric to hang below the frame. Position the foam rails on top of the decking. Place the heating panel near the power cord opening. Run the power cord through the hole at the top corner of the bed. Attach the plug to the temperature control unit. Do not plug the temperature control into the wall at this time. Bring the temperature control sensor through the same hole and place the control sensor approximately 10 inches away from the heater pad towards the head of the bed. Affix the temperature control onto the frame by magnetic attachment. If you choose to build your own pedestal, use an L bracket to attach your control unit. Wrap the stretch liner over the foam rails and tuck the liner in between the foam bottom and the stretch fabric, paying attention to the footer label. Unfold and place the water mattress with the valve at the foot of the bed. For a dual mattress, place the divider in the center of the two mattresses, tucking the flaps below the empty waterbed mattress. Attach the hose to the water shutoff valve, then attach the fill meter and valve adapter. The fill meter will help you make sure to put the right amount of water into the mattress. Open the mattress valve and immediately tighten the hose adapter over the mattress valve by turning the adapter. Do not leave the valve open too long, as this lets air in. Attach the other end of the hose into a water source, open the shutoff valve, and begin the filling. It is important to note that using lukewarm water instead of cold water will drastically reduce the time needed for your temperature control system to reach your desired setting. When the mattress has filled halfway, for a queen, that would be 55 gallons, for a dual king cell, 35 gallons, and for a standard king, 70 gallons, turn off the shutoff valve and add the waterbed conditioner. For the dual king cell, only empty half of the bottle and save the rest for the other cell. For the queen and standard king, empty the entire bottle. Open the valve on the other mattress and immediately tighten the hose adapter on that mattress valve. Open the shutoff valve and begin filling. When filling, approximately halfway, turn off the hose and add the waterbed conditioner again. This balances the fill on both sides. Be sure to refer to the fill chart for the proper gallon amount. The queen requires 110 gallons. The dual king requires 70 gallons per cell. The standard king requires 140 gallons. Once filled, open the mattress valve to start the burping process. Using your forearm, apply a light pressure to the mattress from the head and sweep the air to the valve at the foot of the bed. This pushes the air out of the valve. After hand and arm burping, use the provided air extractor tool to remove the rest of the air in the mattress. If you see any other visible bubbles, continue the burping process until the mattress is air-free and then seal the valve, screwing the safety cap on and press the cap into the mattress. If you have our firm flotation model, place the memory foam layer over the water mattress and stretch the elastic skirt over the edge and tuck it under the mattress. If you don't have our firm model, stretch the bottom portion of the cover up the mattress, making sure to leave the zipper exposed. Zip the top section of the cover on the mattress starting at the zipper at the foot of the bed. Work your way around the mattress to the end. Finally, plug the temperature control into the nearest outlet and set the initial temperature to 90 degrees, and you're ready to enjoy your Afloat mattress.
Thank you, and we hope you enjoy your Afloat waterbed for years and years to come.